This is Jackie back from Myra Stitch and Post, and I just wanted to show you the results of what we had started. So this is the back side of my quilt, and there's the front side of my quilt. And I think a lot of you have seen these types of binding tools work, but we've always been restricted because we couldn't go around corners, and I want to show you how to go around corners. Now, it's going to be a little awkward for us to get the video, so it may seem a little jumpy. Moya's going to come around the other side. The key now is when we are ready to turn the corner, we don't want to remove too much, remove our quilt too far from the machine. So we're just simply going to pull it through and finger crease our fabric. And then we're going to pleat like that. And then I'm going to fold that over. And I want to make sure that I fold the back side over as well. So you can see I have a mitre here. And if I flip it over, you can see my mitre on the other side. And I have lost my pin. All right, found my pin. So now what I want to do is pin this secured so that it doesn't shift when I go to put it back underneath my presser foot. And I have big hands and they don't want to move very well here. All right, so I have it pinned in place. So I'm going to just simply pull back my binding. I want to make sure that that gets stuck in between that little U shape that I pointed out to you earlier. And I'm going to just simply put my binding back underneath the stitch plate. I'm going to line it up so that my needle lines up with the corner of my mitre, which it has. And I'm now going to put my presser foot down. That's going to hold everything in place. And I'm simply going to start stitching again. And we are away to the races. And then Moya's going to come around the other side and she's going to show you the beautiful mitered corner that we were able to do with our mitered binding tool. And you're simply going to continue till you get to your next corner. And you will repeat. So that is how the new quilt binder attachment for both Husqvarna Viking and Pfaff work on your sewing machines. This is Jackie from the Myra Stitch and Post.